Dear students, welcome YouTube channel of Sangli Shikshan Sanstha. Today we are going to study 8th Standard Geography, lesson number 2, Interior of the Earth. In the previous classes, you have been introduced to rock types, volcanoes and earthquakes. Answer the following questions on the basis of that. Recall. When earthquake occurs, what happens exactly? An earthquake is shaking of the ground surface that result from the sudden release of energy from the seismic waves. How are igneous rocks formed? Igneous rocks are formed when lava cools and solidified. What is volcano? A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust from which lava, ash, hot gases and other materials are released during an eruption. Which materials come out during a volcanic eruption? During volcanic eruption, ash, water vapor, various types of poisonous and inflammable gases, hot molten magma, etc. In which state of matter are these materials? These materials are in hot, solid, liquid and gaseous state of matter. Are the volcanic erupted materials cool or hot? Why? These materials are hot because of temperature is very high in the interiors of the earth. Hello students, I will show you demonstration. Boil half liter of the milk. When the milk was kept for boiling, in which state was it? When the milk was kept for boiling, it was in liquid state. When the milk was boiling, what did you observe? When the milk was boiling, it was observed that steam started coming out from it. After it boiled, a thick layer of cream developed over the milk after a short time. What had accumulated over the lid of the vessel? Water droplet had accumulated over the lid of the vessel. Tell whether the matter accumulated on the milk is liquid or solid. The matter accumulated on the milk is solid. Was it cooler or hotter than the milk below? It was cooler than the milk below. On which other substance can be similar experiments carried out? Similar experiment can be carried out while preparing the following. For example, tea or dal. When milk comes to boil, switch off the gas. Study about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to support life. And the Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. The scientists believe that the Earth was formed out of the solar system itself. Initially, Earth was a gaseous hot balloon. It cooled down as it rotated around itself. The process of cooling took place from the outer surface toward the Earth's center. As a result, outer layer of the Earth became cooler and solid. But as we move from the surface to the core, heat increases and at a certain depth, the interior of the Earth is semi-liquid. Man has always been curious about what lies in the interior of the Earth. A direct observation of the Earth's interior has not been possible as yet. So, various methods scientists have tried to estimate that. The layers of the interior of the Earth: crust, mantle, core. The crust divided into two parts: continental crust, oceanic crust. The mantle divided into again two parts: upper mantle, lower mantle. Core. The core divided into again two parts: outer core, inner core. Let's study about volcanoes. Hot, solid, liquid and gaseous materials are thrown out from the mantle of the earth. This process is called volcanic eruptions. During this process, ash, water vapor, various types of poisonous and inflammable gases, hot molten magma, etc. When molten magma come out of the surface, it is called lava. When lava cools and solidified, the primary rocks are formed. Earthquake occurs in various places on the earth. Study of the materials coming out of a volcanic eruption and the same seismic wave is important. Now, let's study about volcanoes. Seismic waves are generated. These waves travel through the interior of the earth. While going from the earth's surface to its core, major changes occur in temperature and density. These two elements, the earth's interior, can be divided into following. Let's study about the crust. The crust is a shell on the outside of the earth, accounting for less than 1% of Earth's value. It is the top component of the lithosphere, a division of Earth's layer that include the crust and the upper part of the mantle. The lithosphere is broken into tectonic plates whose motion allows heat to escape from the interior of the earth into space. The crust lies on the top of the mantle, a configuration that is stable because of upper mantle is made up of igneous rock and is so significantly more dense than the crust. Observe the figure, Earth's interior. As we move under the surface, temperature is increased. After that, the rate of increase in temperature reduce and again increase in the core. At the center of the earth, the temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius to 6000 degrees Celsius. The crust is thinnest of all the layers. When compared to the mantle and the core, it can be divided into two sublayers, continental crust, oceanic crust. Study about continental crust. This is continental crust. The continents are mainly composed of silica and aluminium. So, because of their higher proportion in this layer, the layer was earlier known as Cl. The density of continental crust is 2.65 to 2.90 gram per cubic centimeter. The thickness of this layer is approximately 30 kilometers. Here, granite rocks are mainly found in this layer. Study about oceanic crust. This is the second layer of the earth crust. It is made up of silica and magnesium. It was earlier called Sima. This layer is approximately 7 to 10 km thickness. The density of this layer is 2.9 gram per cubic centimeter to 3.3 gram per cubic centimeter. In this layer, basalt and gabbro rocks are mainly found. Let's study about mantle. Below the crust lies the mantle. Mantle can be divided into two layers, upper mantle, lower mantle. The upper mantle in liquid state. Here one finds magma chambers. It is through these chambers that magma comes out on the earth's surface during the volcanic eruptions. This layer is also known as asthenosphere. Epicenter of deep-seated earthquakes are usually found in this mantle. The mantle depth begins around 42 km from the earth's surface. In this layer, the temperature is 2200 degrees Celsius to 2500 degrees Celsius. there is a sudden changes in the structure and density of material. It is estimated that this layer extends up to 2870 km and the average density of this layer is 4.5 gram cubic centimeter, and it increases with the depth, increasing in the pressure. The reason behind this, the density of the lower mantle is about 5.7 gram cubic centimeter. Study about core. The core starts from around the depth of 2900 km from the Earth's surface. The path of the Earth interior extending from the mantle up to the Earth's center is the core. The thickness of the core about 3471 km. This layer can be divided into two parts: outer core, inner core. Let's study about outer core. The outer core extends from 2900 km to 5100 km. The secondary waves cannot pass this core. They get absorbed in this region. This has led to scientists to believe that the core can be liquid or semi-liquid in the nature. The primary waves travel through this layer, but their speed reduces when passing through this layer. The density of outer core is 9.8 gram cubic per centimeter, and the temperature of the liquid of outer core is 5000 degrees Celsius. We have learned that outer core, the Earth's interior in a liquid state, and the position of the ion is more in this layer. The vertical currents are originated in this layer. This is another characteristic of this area. The difference between the outer core and inner core gives rise to vertical currents. The earth rotation gives them circular motion. Electric currents develop in these spiral eddies of liquid iron, and the magnetic field is generated here. It is sometimes called geodynamo too. This magnetic field of earth is function even outside of the earth. Study about inner core. The inner core extends from around 5150 km to depth of around 6371 km, Earth's center. It is the core of the earth which is in solid state. The density of this sphere is around 13.3 gram cubic centimeter. Iron and nickels are major elements found in this interior of the earth. About Earth's magnetic sphere. This is magnetic field of the earth. Is function even outside of the earth's surface for quite distance. As result, a cover develops around the earth because of the magnetic field. The earth atmosphere is protected from the solar winds coming from the sun. The magnetic field thus develops around the earth. It is called magnetosphere, and this is the fifth and important sphere of the earth. As the materials in this layer are under extreme pressure, the temperature is here almost equivalent to the surface temperature of the sun. Yes, students, in this lesson we have studied about the earth, the composition of interior of the earth, crust, mantle, core, and magnetic field and geomagnetic field. Thank you.